Thank you for joining this quick how-to screencast brought to you by Salesforce Support. To see more content like this, hit subscribe.
Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom buttons on related lists so you can select your own related records and take action on them. Alright, so how do we do this? So the first thing we want to do is actually create the button. So if you want the button on your cases related list, then you're going to go to the cases object in the object manager. So wherever you want that button to be, the object you want the button on, that's where we're going to start. So here I found my cases object, and you're going to go to the buttons, links, and actions section. And here we're going to create a new button. Now give your button a name, whatever name you want. And this part here is really the magic. You need to make sure you select the right type. You want it to be a list button. And this is where you determine what your button does. Does it fire JavaScript? Does it launch a URL? Most buttons are links, so most of you are going to do URLs. And you can actually link to a flow or an automation rule in Salesforce. So here's my link to my flow. That's not a flow you have, it's just an example flow. But put in your link. And when you put in the link, you hit save, there's your button. Your button goes to that URL, and the button exists. The button exists, but it's not on your page. So you actually have to add it to your page layout. So when you go to edit the Lightning page layout, you click on that related list, you'll see many options there, but nothing for the button. To get to the button, you actually have to go into the classic page layout. Okay, and if you're not sure which page layout, you might have multiple page layouts, so just make sure you get to the right page layout. And when you're there, scroll down to your related lists and click that little wrench icon. And this is where you can change what columns appear in your related list, how you sort your related list, and your buttons. So you can check the boxes on whether or not the standard buttons should be included, or you can move your custom buttons over in that little select section. And that's all you do. You save the change, refresh your page, and you now have a new custom button on your related lists.
For more information, check out help.salesforce.com or join us on the trail at trailblazer.salesforce.com.